Have you ever looked at something you've made, something you're really passionate about, and thought, hey, I could turn this into a business? Well, today, that's exactly what we're talking about. We are diving head first into the amazing world of embroidery in South Africa. And trust me, it's not just a craft anymore. It's a massive business opportunity just waiting for you. Let's jump right in. And that quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? We're talking about an art form that is steeped in history, a skill that's been passed down from generation to generation. And now, it's finding this incredible new energy in today's world. It's really where this beautiful legacy meets modern-day opportunity. So before we get into the nitty-gritty of business plans and marketing, let's take a step back and really understand the opportunity here. Because in South Africa, this all starts with a culture that is just so rich and vibrant. You see, what's so fascinating is that embroidery here has never, ever been just about making things look pretty. For communities like the Zulu, the Xhosa, the Sotho, and the Ndebele, every single stitch is like a word in a sentence. It's a powerful way to tell stories, to express culture, and to hold on to a unique identity. It's a language all on its own. And this is where it all clicks into place. This is the magic moment. On one side, you have this incredibly deep cultural heritage, packed with stories and meaning. And on the other, you've got a modern market that is absolutely starving for authentic, personalized, handmade things that have a real soul. Your craft, it's the bridge that connects these two worlds. Okay, you see the potential, right? It's huge. But the big question is, how do you actually grab it? How do you go from that creative passion to a business that actually pays the bills? Well, let's walk through your 6-step game plan. This is your practical roadmap. First things first, we've got to build a solid foundation. Step 1 is all about your tools. Seriously, investing in a quality machine and good materials is a total game changer. Step 2 is about focus. You can't be everything to everyone, so you've got to pick your specialty, your niche. And step 3, that's your identity. Your brand is what makes people remember you. And speaking of finding your focus, just look at the options. Each one of these is a booming market. Maybe you love creating those super personal, one-of-a-kind gifts. Or hey, maybe you love the clean, sharp look of corporate branding on caps and uniforms. You could dive into fashion or even the home decor scene. The real key here is to find what gets you excited and what you're really good at. All right, your foundation is set. Now it's time to build the rest of the house and invite people in. Step 4 is all about getting the word out. We're talking social media, local markets, you name it. Step 5 is crucial. It's about making your customers so happy they can't help but come back. And step 6 is finding that pricing sweet spot where it's fair for them and profitable for you. And I really want you to let this one sink in. You could be the most talented artist in the world with the best machine on the market. But if your customers have a bad experience, your business just won't survive. Amazing customer service turns a single sale into a loyal fan for life. Honestly, it's the best marketing you could ever ask for. Now, let's be real for a second. Starting any business is tough. You're going to hit some bumps in the road. But the trick, the real secret, is to see those hurdles not as walls, but as opportunities to get smarter, more creative, and just plain better. It's all about perspective, isn't it? Think of it like a coin. On one side, you've got challenges. Yeah, there's going to be competition, but flip that coin over. That competition is exactly what's going to push you to be unique and to innovate. Managing costs is tough, for sure, but that's what forces you to build amazing relationships with suppliers. Every single challenge has an opportunity hiding on the other side. So, after you've navigated all that, you've followed the plan. What's the end goal? What's it all for? It is so much more than just making a profit. It's about building something that you love, something that's a piece of you. It's about, well, stitching your own unique success story. And if you remember just one thing from all of this, please let it be these 3 pillars. Your creativity is your superpower. It's what makes you stand out. Your dedication to quality, that's what builds your reputation and trust. And your focus on making customers happy, that is the fuel that will grow your business. You master those 3, and you are well on your way. The demand is there. The cultural story is rich and waiting to be told. The path is clear. This isn't just some passing trend. It's a genuine movement, a movement celebrating craft, celebrating culture, and celebrating entrepreneurs just like you. So the only question left to ask is, are you ready to pick up that needle and make your mark?